plantation, but it is not enough to meet our needs. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah believes that the feeling of forest cultivation should be created in the people and they should cooperate with the government. The government plans to distribute 5 crore saplings this year, but even this may not be sufficient as less than 50% of plants survive. The Chief Minister inaugurated Swabhimani Park and Vanamahotsava and planted a coconut tree. He mentioned that a plant had been planted in the past and it had grown well, and he hopes that the new saplings will thrive too. By working together, the government and the people can achieve their goals of growing and cultivating forests. Siddaramaiah, the CM of Karnataka, was joined by Mansoor Ali Khan, AICC Secretary and Co-Chairman KPCC Communication, Transport Minister Ramlinga Reddy, former MP Ugrappa Revanna, Umapati Srinivas Gowda and other leaders at the Vanamahotsava 2023 inauguration ceremony.
ಕಾಡು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇವರು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.